Top foods that you must eat to stop coughing in seconds. Eating honey can help soothe a sore throat and suppress coughing. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can provide relief from coughing. Garlic is known for its antibacterial properties, which can help alleviate throat irritation and cough. Citrus fruits like oranges are rich in vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and reduce cough symptoms. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help ease coughing.